In today's video, we're going to show you how to check your credit score using the TD Bank app in 2024. Monitoring your credit score is essential for the managing your financial health, and TD Bank makes it easy to access your score directly from the app. So let's get started. First, open the TD Bank app on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, you can get it from the App Store or Google Play Store for Android devices. Make sure you're logged in into your TD Bank account. If not logged in, enter your username and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the menu icon or account overview to see your account details. Look for the credit score option. This is usually located under the accounts tab or a similar section related to account services. Tap on credit score to view your current score. You might be prompted to verify your identity with additional security steps like a security code or biometric authentication. Once verified, you'll be able to see your credit score along with details such as the credit score range and the factors affecting your score. TD Bank provides insights into what your credit score means and how you can improve it. You might see a breakdown of factors like payment history, credit utilization, and length of credit history. Review these insights to understand your credit standing better and take action if needed. The TD Bank may also offer tools and resources for managing and improving your credit score. Look for links to educational articles, tips, and credit monitoring services. Utilize these resources to get a better handle on your credit health. If you encounter any issues accessing your credit score or have questions, TD Bank's customer support can help. And that's how you check your credit score using the TD Bank app.